Reaching new heights of achievement. My name is Ino Lelochi. This is class 565, instructor Dr. Kashiwagi, and welcome to my presentation. Randomness does not exist. Who am I? My name is Ino Lelochi, and when I was young, I wanted to be an architect. I did not know how it was going to happen, but something clicked that the dots would connect and form a line somehow. Always helped my dad with any house project that would arise around the house. I asked lots of questions about the materials and how things connected together. I did not know at the moment, but I did work a draft plan in my head, looking hindsight, looking back at it, and the idea that everything connects like a city's master plan. I always tried to apply what I learned. I observed what construction tools that they were used by my dad in construction projects around the house. I was drilling, nailing, putting boxes made of wood together. Basically, I was making my own Lego set and making the best of what I had at the moment. I got my hands, my feet, but I learned from my mistakes by applying what I perceived. It was a process. It's still a process. And I was learning at the time something new every day, and today I'm learning something new every day. Who is a molecule? We moved to US in 2002, and we moved to Boston, Massachusetts with my family. So people were in my molecule. There was a lot of worry, characteristics were in my molecule, and all my friends were back in Europe. Once we moved to the US, I made new friends. I connected through Facebook later on with many of my old friends. While I was in 8th grade, in the middle of the year, took a test about what do you want to do when you grow up. The profession that came up from answering several questions was surprise, architect. Events were my molecule. Random? At the time, I thought it was random. Looking back now, it was not random. Randomness does not exist. Everything is related somehow. Rules. Well, I was the youngest in the family. Not many rules at all, if any. I changed 3 high schools because of moving from one state to another. I was not a stranger to change. I adapted quick. While attending first year of high school in Boston, I took an entrepreneurship class. We traveled to New York in the course of this class. While there, the teacher gave us $60 and asked us to buy anything we wanted and see if we can double the money. Teacher just wanted the principal back, $60 back. There was no rules at all on what to buy and sell. Sold socks and double my money. This is an example how not having rules, you can set your mindset that you can do anything you want to. Life experiences. I've always liked to travel. I wanted to check out new places. I was optimistic even when things went wrong. Learned that a lot of aspects about me had to do with culture. I was a controlled environment from time to time, stressed, always tried to minimize it, disciplined, traditional, plus freedom, leadership and progress. Well, I decided to go to a community college and then transfer to a 4 year school so I wouldn't have any debt. Long-term goal was always to become an architect. In the beginning, there was fear that I won't be accepted to a 4 year university, but I decided to change the mindset. In the community college, I went for architecture technology, teaching me the current trends and how to get a job, quote unquote, immediately. In the 4 year university, I went for the interior architecture, so we see the whole picture with my background and have an edge in the market. I had great examples and mentors that did not give up on me and paved the path for success. It was my destiny. Still is my destiny, everything in my hands. But I was always looking to learn to add value and better myself. That way I can help people and serve them better. Life is a journey and always want to cherish and capture the moments. Everything will be alright, like it's meant to be. To no stress, again, it's about reaching new heights of achievement and how to better ourselves. Shows us who we are and enjoy life. Thank you for listening to my presentations. If you have any questions, email, it's below, phone number as well. Thank you.